Hi, this is Ian, your SD MLS specialist. Let's talk about how to customize your results spreadsheets in Paragon. For mastery of this and all topics, remember to play, pause, and practice. Before we begin editing our results spreadsheet, I'd like to show you that not only do we have this spreadsheet, but if we click on the Reports button and go to the Spreadsheets folder, we'll notice that we have the Property System Grid and an additional 10 spreadsheets for us to manipulate. Feel free to practice on any of your other customizable grids. Today we're going to focus on the Property System Grid. Let's close this for now. With results on your page, we're going to go to Customize and then down and click on Fields. This is going to open up your Property System Grid field preferences. The first thing that you'll see here at the top will be your search window. This will allow you to search for specific available fields. We are looking and working with residential properties, so that will be noted here. But more importantly, these are the types of fields in which we will be able to search. Currently, we'll be able to search for listing fields. We also have the availability of adding agent, office, team, features, and feature categories fields. We can also change the name of the grid. This grid is sometimes referred to as the one-line report. So let's rename it the one-line report, or the name of your choice. One of the benefits of this report is that you can customize it to add or subtract fields that are good for you. In this case, I'm looking for active listings only. So I don't need the sold price or a close of escrow date. These fields are not relevant to any search that I'm going to do. I think I'd like to get rid of them. In order to do that, we will click here to select that field. Let's click here to select the second field. With these two items highlighted, I'm going to go over here to the middle and click on Remove. When I click on Remove, it's going to take these items away from the right and move them back over into the left. Now, I didn't need those, but I am interested in the lot square footage. So let's go ahead and type in the word lot to narrow down our selection of available fields. Let's choose lot square foot approximate and put a check in it. Let's click Add. We will notice that this field has been added over to the right side. I'd like to also add in information about the fees. Let's type in the word fees and let's look through our options. Monthly total fees is what I'm looking for. So again, let's put a check mark in and click on the Add button. Again, you will notice that it's going to add this last option at the bottom. If these are all of the fields that you'd like to add and subtract, we're going to simply go up toward the top right corner and click on Save. When you click on Save, we're going to see our results refresh, and we will suddenly have our new fields added in the same order, and of course those old fields that were here are now removed. Now, what if you get back to this page and you say, I really wish that my lot square size was a little closer to the address. That would seem to be a little better for me. Well, we don't need to go back to Customize. We can simply click right here on the header, click and hold, and let's drag our mouse to the left until we get our lot square footage next to the full address. Once you release, We'll see our new field here, and it will save automatically. Our property system grid will remain like this until further changes are made. If you ever use the customize fields and you inadvertently remove some fields that you really need, let's go ahead and just remove those. And you're not really sure which fields were there. We have this button down here that says revert to default. By clicking on this item, we will be able to then click OK and have our page reset to where we started. So no matter what, we can always get back to the beginning again. In addition to changing the fields that are displayed, we can control how these items are sorted. By default, when a grid appears, the results will be sorted by status, and then zip, and then price. By going to customize and then sort, you have the ability of changing that order. Maybe you want the price to be the primary sort, and then the zip code. You can make that determination, but be aware that the default is by status, zip, and then price. This has been customizing your property results spreadsheets. For information on other training videos, please visit us at sdmls.com, click on the Paragon icon, and then select Training Videos. This has been Ian, your SDMLS specialist, reminding you to play, pause, and practice.